Hello friends, this is Ganesh. Hope you're doing wonderful. In this quick video, we are going to see what are the ways we can able to leverage the usage of dollar parameter keyword. Normally in CDS we have an input parameter option and the field normally we used in a var condition. So based on the material type, my entire CDS view will just get the or fetch the information from the database table. Yes, that can be used using a with parameter keyword, as well as the parameters whatever we mentioned after with parameters can be used in the var condition. So apart from that, I want to use that input parameter as one of my key fields or selection list, and I want to make sure based on that value I want to use a case statement, and I want to make use of that value in my association as well. So in my path expressions I want to use that. So in these places you are able to use your parameter variable with the help of dollar parameters keyword. So that's what we are going to see in today's video. Let's get into the slide first. So this is the place where normally we use like with parameters, define view entity name with parameters, and you can define the parameters along with whatever data type, relevant data type for it, and that those fields, those parameters normally we used in the var condition. So now I want to use P1 and P2 inside my selection list, one of the selection list, if it is required. So I want to use it. What is your user input? I want to use it, and I want to use it in my case statement. So those things we are going to see. So if you want to use that inside your selection list, just use a keyword called dollar parameters dot whatever value you want, and that needs a Alex name, okay, as input value. If it is required, you can just make use of this. Or if you want to use in a case statement, so like this, so based on the user input I want to just make some validations conditions. Based on that I need to perform some business requirement, then you can use case dollar parameters dot p1. And the another area where you can use it in the association and path expressions. Suppose I have an association, and in that the path expression I want to make use of any one of the user input. Yes, that is also can be used with the same format, dollar parameter dot whatever values, whatever field you have defined in the parameter field. So same thing can be achieved in define view as well as define view entities, because currently we have view and view entities, right? With few changes compared to how we can define view and how we can able to make it in view entities. That also we can able to compare and see with some examples. Okay, let's get into the system now. So this is my system. I opened HANA Studio, and these are pretty simple to understand, nothing much, basic annotations, and I have with parameters, two parameters, I had a material type and material group. I just used Mara table for this, and I have two key fields, MANT, MATNR, and then I can use MTART, MATKL. I think this is fine. Okay, so then normally we use the parameters over here where mtart equals colon p underscore whatever values, whatever field we have defined over there, and matkl equals p underscore matkl. Simple. Okay, just start to code it. And these are the fields FERT and 001. So I need a value here. Okay, not this FERT and 001. Okay. So let me execute it. Application FERT 1231. Enter. So this is the output. Okay. So now, one of the option what I'm going to do is I'm going to include one of the user parameter inside my selection list. It doesn't make any difference, but just you have an option. So if you want to add it, you can use parameters. dot p underscore mtart. Okay, as okay, user input mtart. Simple. This is one of the way. So if you go and see the output, whatever we enter, that is also added as one of the field. If we 1 2 3 1, so here, okay, but there is no difference between whatever we fetched, whatever they entered. Simple. Another option is, so if you want to make use it in a case statement, so that is also possible. So here p underscore empty. If you enter p underscore empty, it automatically pop up as a help saying the dollar parameter dot ptm. What are the field name? Just tab, it will automatically comes. So here I will use case. So case this one and then add whatever is required for the business. So then finished. Finished. Okay, else unfinished. Okay, and end this. Type. Okay, just add toward it. So what else we have? We have, this is empty. Okay, ZSCR. Okay, and execute it. ZSCR, and then the value was 20002. Oops. Okay, so here it comes and it shows it's unfinished. Okay, so same way, suppose if you want to use this one in your path expression, so what I can do is maybe I need an association here. So association 2, I'm going to get the material type text. So that is T134T. Okay, as material type text. So join on mtxt dot mtart equal mare dot mtart. Okay. So now I have an association and I'm going to use that over here and mtxt material text. So mtart equal p underscore. Here also it should come parameters. What parameters you want? I want mtart parameters. Okay. And what I need is I need one second. So the field is empty BEZ, empty control space bar BEZ1. This one, this is the text. It carries the text of your material type. So here also you are able to make it. Okay, as material type text. Okay. Okay, it should be dot. Probably I need SPRAS and SPRAS equal to English. That's it. So here also you're able to make the parameters field, input parameters field. Just act about it and execute. So FEIRT 10001 enter. So this is the text for whatever material type is going to be fetched from the relevant text table. So that is a value from the T1340 text table. Okay. So this is a way where you can make use of the parameters, not only in the where condition inside your list or inside if you want to do it in a case, or if you want to do it in your path expression also. Okay, so this is the one which I want to convey here. And what I'm going to do is I'm trying to just copy paste the same thing to the view entities, because view is absolute from 7.5 version, I believe. So we have to move our things to view entities. So let's see, because everything is same logic, concept is same, few things to be modified or changed in that. Okay, so let me create one quickly. New data definition, CGI view entity, and next. So here it's going to be this one, because this is absolute from 7.57. So just change to view entity, finish. So here obviously you don't have SQL view name because that is not required to create it. Okay, so let's copy this from here. Okay, so this is one way of learning to the view entity level also. Define view. Okay. Define view. Okay, this let me delete it. Okay. So define view with parameters, everything is fine, and define view entity. So view entity normally you won't you don't to make client as is one of the list key, one of the selection lists. So remove that, and you cannot use this directly whatever field you have, because this needs to be added along with the dollar parameters. So that is the one change over here. So parameter, oh sorry, parameters, parameters dot, same thing here also, dollar parameters dot. Okay, so now it's good. So a few changes if you normally what do you call migrate from view to view entity, maybe the next level of upgrade version. So you have to make use of, or you have to be very clear about a few syntaxings, what needs to be added, what is acceptable, what is not. Okay, so the output is same, there is no difference in the output. So execute, I'm executing view entity now. So here it is same thing, FERT0001. There's no change in the output. So this is the one which is going to be used here, all parameters. Just go through it. If you have any doubts, please let me know. I will just add both the codes in my drive, so that will be useful for you. And thank you so much for your time. And if you need any doubt, please let me know. And see you in the next video. Bye.